So now I can finally tap that in there and start rebuilding this timing cover and governor setup. So that's that tapped in there now. So I'm going to start rebuilding my few governor bits. So this is the governor shaft that I've chose to go with. It's a little worse for wear on that side there, but sure, what about it? It's the shaft itself is lovely and shiny, and we have some new grease. So I'm going to put in a bit of grease into the seal rather than having it running dry, and then I can start putting everything together in there. So the governor rod is back in one piece, the seal is in, the Welsh plug is in, the locator bolt that I decided to use from the old Ferguson 20 cover is in because the one was worn, and now I am going to tap in a new Bepco crankshaft seal into there. So I'm just making sure that there's no burrs, because I'm looking at that lad there. I don't really like the look of him there. Just want to make sure he's not standing out too proud, because that'll damage the race of the seal going in there. That is the crankshaft seal in. Doesn't come out the whole way, it's not meant to. So because this is a metal seal on the outside, you just keep tapping until you hear it hitting the aluminium. So everything's got a quick blowout with the air gun there, and I am going to get the gasket ready and put on a bit of Indian head. Just give everything the last wipe down and try everything in for a fit. So I'm using the Indian head again. I put a layer of Indian head on, and I'm just lining up my gasket now, making sure everything is all the bolt holes are lining up. So Indian head is on, a bit of oil rubbed around the lip of the seal just to keep it lubricated. Better that than it running dry. So let's try this for a fit. So this is where it has to go. Got the oil slinger on. That doesn't matter where about that is. It's just going to be pushed up against the crankshaft sprocket. That hole is just for the Woodruff key, so that'll push up against that. So anywhere at all. Everything is sort of getting a good cleaning down with the wire brush and sandpaper. There's the odd bit of rust and stuff like that. It's not too important. It's pitting. The gasket will take that out of it. We got our governor weights, and that's all working how it should do. So there's our one locating dowel and number 2, and there's a stud there as well. So I'm going to lift this on now and see, make sure that the gasket doesn't move.